This is Chemistry Podcast 8.1, and we're going to quickly talk about pressure and how you can convert between the different units of pressure. So the first thing you need to know is what the definition of pressure is. It's defined as a force per unit area, and if we wanted to write a formula for it, it would be P equals F over A. So force divided by area. Gas particles exert pressure when they collide with the walls of their container. We have a picture of a balloon here. Those balloons stay inflated because the gas molecules that are within the balloon are colliding with the inside of the balloon, and that's what's forcing it to stay inflated. All right, here's some units of pressure that you need to know, and you need to know these conversion factors. So you need to copy this table down. We're not going to use pounds per square inch a whole lot, but it's there just because we use it here in the United States. I put it on there. You should note that 1 atmosphere is the same as 760 millimeters of mercury, and 1 atmosphere is also the same as 760 torr. So because 1 atmosphere equals the same thing, what we know is that millimeters of mercury and torr, they are the exact same quantity, just the same unit with a different name. So millimeters of mercury and torr are the same thing, they equal each other. Atmospheres, there isn't one here because it's compared with 1 atmosphere for the rest of these. Kilopascal, it has that prefix there, so if we just wanted to go to pascals, we could just slide the decimal and get there. So you need to be familiar with these and be able to convert between them. And I have 3 quick problems here that we're going to do. So if we wanted to go from 2 atmospheres and figure out how many kilopascals is that, we would set up a quick little conversion table. And then from the table that we just copied down back there, we know that 1 atmosphere is 101.3 kilopascals. So it's just like I'm converting units. I just set them up so that the same unit cancels. 2 times 101.3 is 202.6. And that would be your answer for that one. 15 torr and into millimeters of mercury. We just said that torr and millimeters of mercury are the same thing. So 15 torr is the same as 15 millimeters of mercury. And this last one, 35 psi, pounds per square inch, we want to convert that into atmospheres. So start with what you're given, go back to your table, find the conversion factor, and you'll see that 14.7 psi is 1 atm. And when I do that conversion, I end up with 2.38 atmospheres. So just using that table as your conversion factors, these aren't too bad. It's kind of going back to the first of the year when we were just converting units. Units of volume, we're just going to quickly cover because we need a refresher. We're going to be using them because gases have a volume. So the liters, milliliters, and then centimeters cubed. These are all ways you'll see the volume expressed, so just make sure you know those. And that is it. So you just need to be familiar with the different units of pressure and be able to convert between them.